Hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon and good evening from wherever you are. Today, I would like us to display duration of time in a text view. We can display this duration in form of X minutes ago, hours ago, and even so many years ago. For example, time that surpasses a day will be in form of 24 hours ago. This form of time is mainly used in Firebase to present the exact time each item was uploaded to the database. Considering that this method is only made possible using Firebase, I tried making this possible offline, which means that no Firebase is used at all. Hopefully, I managed to make this simple project with the time form in place. To top it even more, the time runs even when the app is closed, which means that you can stretch your app development to the next level. As you can see here, I have this button on the screen that I use to get time. Let us go to its on-click listener and look at the logic. The first block that conquers all to the top is a block that is used to get the current time present in the device. After the time is captured, I save it to shared preferences, which helps out in running the duration on background. Next, I get the current time again in a number variable. When both the times are saved, I subtract the two to get a difference in time. Then get the result in another number variable that's named time difference. The time difference number variable is what I use to set time by dividing it to get different points of time like minutes, days and even years. But this isn't the only place I've put this logic. When we head on create, we can see that the same logic and blocks are here. This is necessary so that whenever the app is started or restarted, the time duration can keep on going and going and going until the end. The only thing that can kill it is by uninstalling the app. This project is on Sketchware. You can study it, edit it and even modify it. Please give this video a like, share to others, and most importantly, subscribe. Finally, let's compile the project and see how the app works. When I click on the refresh button, it will start the time immediately. As you can see, it's been 6 seconds since we clicked the refresh button. Let me try closing the app and wait for a few seconds. As I reopen the app, you can see that the time keeps on going. If I click the button again, the whole process will start from zero. Goodbye for now, I'll see you in the next video. Please enjoy the gameplay that's about to come next, bye-bye.